This bird is taking my cat's fur to use as a nest.
I love you.
I'm not sure if it's worth it for the video. Like.
AJ Pollock, an extra run as well.
Bunu alacağım.
I have no idea where she is, and I would be so shocked if she just jumped at me.